Let's start our tutorial today. This is the example of the line graph. So we will based on this and create a line graph. So we open up the Microsoft Word, insert, and go to the add the chart. So here you have many examples, column, line, pie, bar, area, x, y. So we use the line. Just okay. Okay. So we have three lines here. And we start from 0, 50, 100. So we will do one by one. So we start from 39. 39 is for the category 1. So here I put 39. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 50. Okay. And then for the series 1, the red color, we start from the red color first. 39 is around 5, we put 5. 5. The yellow is around 10 and 40. Okay, when 40 is up to the 8, 20, 45. This one put as 8. Is going to now 15, 40, the same 8. Up again 25, 55, 5, down 20, down 52. Okay, change the style. What is here? Change the color. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching.